fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you.
How you doing, folks? I'm here at Western Speedway. Today is Pumpkin Smash. It's a drifting event here in Vancouver Island down in Victoria. I'm gonna throw my coveralls on since I'm part of, I guess, media. I'm gonna put my coveralls on, that way I can actually, I'll get in there and show you guys some sick drifting action. All right, how do I look? Not too shabby. Okay, I'm all set. MacDonald Auto mechanic. Yeah. How's it going, cupcakes? What's up? It's really loud here. Do you think they can turn it down a bit? Oh, maybe. You think they'll turn it down a bit or what? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, right. Got the full MacDonald Auto suit going on. Oh, hell yeah, buddy. Oh, Pika, Pika.
Where are you supposed to be? Plumber?
I'm MacDonald Auto mechanic.
Oh, you're a city worker.
Yeah, you know it.
Bastard.
Okay, you want to explain what the whole layout of this place is?
So this is Capital Drift Pumpkin Smash. It's a 2-day event at the end of the year, and Evan's I'll censor myself. It's a 2-day event at the end of the year. Basically for the drivers right now, we're trying a hot lap layout where it's hot track, you just go on and off as you please, and it's gonna be rowdy.
Right on. So hopefully get some good loud noises here for you all day. Give it a shot anyway. There's lots of cars here to do it. Let's go get some car content. Okay. It was in my pocket.
Find you.
good. Kind of hungry, Sid. What do you got for me? Oh, now I'm jealous. I should have brought mine.
No.
How we doing?
We're hooking up the exhaust again.
Are we hanging out?
Chilling.
We get our friend out here?
Is she coming, Evan?
She's coming.
We're hanging out.
Wanna hang out?
We're hanging out.
I'm not gonna hang out. Jesus. We're getting her ringed up.
Full send or no send. Well, that was kind of short-lived.
How do you know what series this is?
Pardon?
How do you know about that series?
So he broke a belt and he's got this custom bracket made for the alternator. It's an extra pulley so that he can run this belt. And this special bracket he made ended up snapping, seized up the alternator and snapped the belt right in half. So needless to say, he's pretty well done for the weekend unless he can get a superhero to come fix this up for him. I tried to get a ride in it, but I guess I'm cursed. I'm kind of cursed. Whoa, you guys take it easy on each other. Okay, well let's try and find somebody else to give me a ride. I want to get out there. Looks like I got a ride hooked up. We're gonna go for a little spin in this bad boy right here. Okay, well we're gonna cancel that idea. do a transmission swap on the thing. That'd be interesting to see if he gets the transmission done in time to race a little bit more, and then give her again tomorrow. I won't be here tomorrow. This is Mika, is it?
Mika.
Mika.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mika's nice enough to let us come for a ride here, so let's go for a boot.
Oh yeah. Much less tire than I thought.
That's custom. Yeah.
Is that fun?
That was a lot of fun. I was actually legitimately scared for some of the spots. I was just like, oh my god.
Which spot? Specifically.
Down there. That was actually, my heart is just like, oh. Oh yeah.
Field or along
yeah,
the wall?
like along the wall there.
Yeah.
You got some serious speed through there. Yeah. That's crazy. That's a hell of a lot of fun though. Holy man. Grinding something up there earlier. What were you working on there?
I had to make a new rod for my e-brake.
Oh.
This Forrest is a really huge, muscly boy, and he just like sneezed on it and bent it in half. But it's not his fault. We got superhuman strength.
Hey, we all got it once in a while.
Yeah. So I think I made one that's good enough now.
Well, if you're into all the Drifty Boy stuff, give fucking Steve a follow here.
Thanks, man. Yeah, check it out. Always doing stuff with drift cars, various other things.
So I'll put a link in the description down below to his channel. He likes to beat the shit out of it. This isn't his only car here, so he's got a few of them.
You gotta do it real slow.
Fixed? I think so. I just bled the brakes.
Oh yeah?
That should be good.
It's fixed. I like his fix.
Oh no!
That's tiring.
Oh, it's tiring.
She's awfully quiet on the track now. That's better. Well, that's about it. I'm about to head head out of here. Been a blast here, Capital Drift. Be sure to give me a subscribe down below there.
Smash the subscribe button.
Yeah, I like it. Pumpkin smash the subscribe button down below. I'll catch you guys later. See ya. It's so quiet in here. We're here. Look how dirty it is.
Gross. Do you ever clean this thing?
You shut the hell up. All right. Should we go to Tim's?
Yeah.
Take that vest off. Where?
Oh god.
Oh, scone.
Scone then.
We're scone.
We scone.
Thanks for taking your vest off, by the way.
Oh yeah, I mean.
Coffee. Thank you.
I want you to listen.